Chilling, lock in safety, lock out bacteria. Chilling protects more than freshness. Cold food, safe food, keep bacteria out. Right temp, right standard. Always. Chilling, safety in every degree. Proper chilling prevents harmful bacteria. Cold food like seafood and desserts must stay chilled to stay safe. Follow, keep refrigerated, labels and use by dates. Protect health, protect quality. Chilled food safety. Chilled food must be stored and displayed correctly. Keep temps right, label leftovers, and follow use by dates. Pre-cool units, limit display time, stay safe, stay smart. Temperature checks and safety. Fridges must stay at 5 degrees Celsius or below. Check and log temps with clean thermometers. Follow the 4-hour rule, use it or discard it. Label smart, act fast, stay safe. Chilling down hot food. Chill hot food fast to stop bacteria. Use smart steps, split portions, cut meat, use cold zones or ice baths. Stir or spread food like rice to speed cooling. Don't chill in bulk, quick action keeps food safe. Chilling options and what to do if things go wrong. Smart chilling keeps food safe. Use blast chillers or cold water, find what works. Test temps, track cooling speed. If chilling fails, reheat or discard. Train well, stick to what's effective. Defrosting done right. Proper defrosting prevents bacteria growth. Ice, fully thaw food before cooking, no frozen centers. Defrost in the fridge or use cold water safely. Never defrost raw meat openly, use sealed containers. Always clean the sink after use. Smart defrosting, the final step. In a rush, use the microwave, but follow instructions. Room temp defrosting, keep it short. Check inside, outside may thaw faster. Look for ice, test joints. When in doubt, defrost more. If it goes wrong, switch methods and log it to improve. Freezing food safely. Freezing protects, not just preserves. Put frozen deliveries away immediately. Freeze food once it's properly chilled, don't delay. Use small portions in sealed containers or bags. Time, temperature, technique, freeze food the safe way. Freezer safety and action plan. Freezer failures can risk food, but you can stay in control. If food's still frozen, transfer it. If thawed, cook or discard. Never refreeze melted items like ice cream. Log temps, act fast, and follow up. Train, supervise, and maintain equipment.